Sometimes love becomes heavy. Sometimes small mistakes become mountains. Sometimes silence becomes the loudest pain. This is the story of a husband and wife, a story of misunderstanding, ego, regret, and rediscovering love. A story of how I thought she hated me, but actually, she was hurting alone. My name is Ethan Miller. I never thought my married life would turn into a battlefield. 3 years ago, I married the woman I loved the most, Ave. She was soft, kind, beautiful, patient, until she wasn't. Today, when she looks at me, she looks like a storm. Her eyes don't shine anymore. Her smile doesn't bloom anymore. Her voice doesn't carry love anymore. Sometimes I ask myself, is she the same woman who once held my hand like I was her world? The silence between us. Now, it felt cold, like winter that never ends. Kulva barely talked to me. If I said, "Good morning," she said nothing. If I asked, "How was your day?" she shrugged and walked away. At night, she slept on the farthest edge of the bed. Even my shadow wasn't allowed near her. I didn't know what crime I had committed. Every day I tried talking. Every day she pushed me away. Every day I felt more alone, even though she was right in front of me. One evening, when I came home from work, I saw Ava standing in the kitchen, staring at her phone with tears in her eyes. "Ava, what happened?" I rushed toward her. She stepped back instantly. "Don't touch me," she said in a low, hard voice. That sentence cut deeper than a knife. "Ava, please, talk to me." She finally looked up, and her eyes were full of anger. "You think I don't know?" she said. "Know what?" I asked, confused. She held up her phone. A picture, a message, a woman's name. My coworker, Lena? A harmless conversation, but Ava didn't believe that. "You lied to me, Ethan. You said you were working overtime, and here you are chatting with another woman at midnight." "It was work-related," I explained. "A client project." "Stop," she snapped. "I don't trust you anymore." That night she cried. I cried, but we cried in different corners of the same room. Days became weeks. Weeks became months. And the distance between us kept growing like a river after rain. For Ava never asked how my day was. She cooked only for herself. She did her laundry separately. She stopped wearing the necklace I bought her on our anniversary. Stopped holding my hand. Stopped sitting beside me on the couch. Stopped laughing at my jokes. She hated everything about me. Or that's what I thought, but the truth was different. It took me months to understand. One night, when Ava came home late, I was waiting. "Ava, please," I said gently. "I can't live like this anymore." She looked exhausted, sad, frustrated. "Ethan?" I needed loyalty. I needed honesty. I needed security. And I gave you all of that. I said, hurt. She closed her eyes. I don't know what to believe anymore. Then she walked away. I sat on the couch, holding my head. For the first time, I said the words out loud. Maybe my wife truly hates me. One Sunday morning, Ava left for groceries. Her phone rang on the table. It was her doctor. My heart raced. Once she returned, I gently asked, "Ava, is everything okay?" She froze, her hands shook, and for the first time in months I saw fear in her eyes. "I didn't want you to know," she whispered. "Know what?" She sat on the couch, tears falling silently. "I've been having panic attacks," she said. "Anxiety. I'm on medication." My heart dropped.